base converter using Python. Anyways, so first we're going to make a thing that converts binary into decimal. So I'm gonna say inputs num is equal to input. What do we want to convert? Oh wait, so no, it's going to be, do you want to convert to binary or binary? So, do you want to convert to binary or to binary? I'm gonna add A here and B there, so yeah, anyway, so converting to binary will be A and binary will be B. So if num is equal to A, I should probably name it to imp, not num, it's not a number anymore. If imp is equal to A, let's go right pass. Let's say else pass. So we're gonna do this first. If the input equals to A, then it's gonna try to convert binary to binary. So num is equal to input number. Oh, I'm just on a question mark to this. So this is the number that I'm gonna want to convert. So it's a string. This is a string. You can get the characters from it for char in num. For char in num. So for each character in the numbers, like if you have 74, then it's gonna do 74. So we're converting binary to binary. Number is gonna have to be zeros and ones. If we write A, let's write pass here. So if it's A, number is gonna have to be binary number. Okay, that wasn't a binary number, but yeah, it's gonna have to be a binary number. Say placement is equal to 1. Oh wait, I'm actually gonna say, so I'm gonna have a list called chars. It's gonna be empty. So for char in num, chars.append char. So I'm just gonna print chars. Right, A, so I can write 1 0 1 1 1 0. So it's gonna convert that into a list. I'm also gonna say len is equal to len chars. So I print len. So let me do a 1 0 1. The length is 3. My value is equal to okay, instead we're gonna say for I in range len, then the value you're gonna say value is equal to 1. So I'll say value is equal to value times 2. So now if I run it, oh wait, I forgot to add it's gonna print the end value. So I'm gonna do this 1 0 1 8. It's gonna be A, it's gonna be 4, it's gonna be 2. That doesn't quite work. For I in range len minus 1, that should work. So A 1 0 1 4. This is 4. This is 2. This is 1. Alright, so now they've got that sorted out. It's time to actually, like do it. So let's say for I, no, I'm not gonna use I again. For num, for n in chars, let's say print n. it says 1010. And so we're gonna say final is equal to 0. Here, I'm gonna say for n in chars. I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna say print n multiplied by value. If it's 1, it's gonna be like 1 times. If the value is 8, it's gonna be 1 times 8. If it's 1 times 8, then it's gonna be 8. If it's 0 times 8, then it's gonna be 0. So, yeah, that's not quite it. So 1, 0, 1 are the n's integers. So I'm gonna say final is equal to n times value. The print final. Oh yeah, let's go print value. So it says 4, 4, 4. Then print the final answer, 1, 1, 1, 1, which that's not the final answer actually. So we need to touch 4 3 times because we didn't divide the value by 2. So let's say value is equal to value divided by 2. So if I say 50% times value, I'm gonna say num underscore temp query. And here I'm gonna say final plus equals num underscore temporary. This num underscore temporary is going to be n times value. So final plus equals num underscore temp. The reason why is because n is a number, so I'm going to write int n. It says 5.0, so let's see if that's correct. This should be 1, this should be 4. It is correct. Let's say print the integer value of final. So let's see. Confirm 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. So this should be 8, this should be 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, it's correct. 1, 1, wrote that wrong. It's supposed to be okay, say 1, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 15, which is correct. You can't use other numbers that are not 9, or else it's not going to work properly. So, I'm write like 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 174. So yeah, basically you can do that. But now, if you write B, which is the one that converts binary to denary, so yeah, we're going to, this next thing in another tutorial, converting the other way around. But anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.